Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues that your Face ID is not working properly and saying that getting the error in your iPhone. When you just log in your and try to open your iPhone and try to open your Apple account. Maybe you open the iPhone, you're facing issues that your Face ID is not working. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all these steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix the issue. Then simply just have to just going to the settings of the iPhone and to have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. And after that, just simply just going to the general section and then update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just going to scroll it down and see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset and then reset the network settings from here. And also you have to reset the all the settings and also doing that, just going back, again back, and just going to the again back and just going to the Face ID and passcode. Just go to that and just enter your password and see the option of an toggle of iPhone unlock. Use Face ID for iPhone unlock. So you have to just turn it on. So make sure that it's turned it on. So iTunes and App Store, when you want to log in with your Face ID, your that toggle also on, and other toggles also on when you're just trying to log in with your Face ID. And just scroll it down and see the option of a reset Face ID, and you have to make sure you just have to reset your Face ID if your Face ID is not working properly. So just have to reset your Face ID. And the other thing is just doing that, and after that all the settings, if your problem are gonna solve, simply just have to just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After updating your iPhone, and you just have to just power off your iPhone, just pressing the power button and the volume up button, and your phone gonna off, and you just have to just turn it on again. After that, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.